Now, this illustration deals with protection around swimming pools in accordance with NEC 680.22A1 through A5. Now, notice to the right we have enclosed game room, sunroom, and so forth. And notice the receptacle located inside the room shall not be required to be GFCI protection if over 6 foot from the inside wall of the pool. So that'd be a measurement that you would have to take. And then you notice it shows that that receptacle is located within 6 foot, then the GFCI protection would be required as illustrated. But if it's over that area, no, if you're over 6 foot. Now, electricians have to be aware of this. Is there a pool being installed? If there is, and a little sunroom or game room is being provided there by the pool, where you go in and play pool, go in and have a counter with drinks and everything like that. Then notice there is a receptacle outlet not permitted by the basic rule within 6 foot of the pool, but we would need one within the 20-foot area. And if it's in beyond the 6 foot, it'd be GFCI protected, but you'd have a 20-foot overall measurement, and 680.22A4 requires a receptacle there. Then notice that THRU for outside receptacles come in. Notice the call out at the left of the illustration. It says receptacle outlet with GFCI protection and located no more than 6 foot 6 inches above finished grade is considered that required outlet to be GFCI protected in accordance with 680.22A. Then for any lighting outlet you may have, then notice the figure loop says for luminaires and the switches for luminaire or switches in general. We would see figures 11-24 and 11-41. And basically, any switches have to be, you follow the 5-foot rule for those from the inside wall of the pool. But this figure 10-32A is showing basic requirements for receptacles around swimming pools are located inside an enclosed room, such as a game room, sunroom, or area where you could walk in from the pool and play pool or get a Coke or something that have a counter there and so forth. So keep this in mind as you review this illustration.